Hey everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. First, let's check out what's inside the box. Right away, Lenovo keeps things clean and simple. Inside, we get the Lenovo LP75 earbuds, a compact charging case, a Type-C charging cable, and the basic user documentation. If you're looking for true wireless sports headphones with long battery life, strong bass, and a secure fit, today's video is for you. We're reviewing the Lenovo LP75 True Wireless Headphones featuring Bluetooth 5.3, ENC noise reduction, ear hook design, and up to 48 hours of total battery life. Let's get started. The charging case feels solid and lightweight, with a clear LED power display that shows the battery level at a glance, a really handy feature for daily use. The Lenovo LP75 is designed specifically for sports and active use. It comes with medical-grade silicone ear hooks, which are soft, flexible, and very comfortable. These hooks keep the earbuds firmly in place, even during running, workouts, or cycling. Thanks to the IPX5 waterproof rating, sweat and light rain are not a problem, making these earphones perfect for gym sessions and outdoor activities. Now let's talk about sound. The LP75 delivers hi-fi stereo audio with clear mids, crisp highs, and a punchy bass that works great for music, gaming, and videos. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a fast and stable connection with low latency and a transmission distance of over 10 meters. Pairing is quick, and once connected, the earbuds automatically reconnect when you open the case. For gamers and callers, Lenovo includes ENC ambient noise reduction, which helps reduce background noise during calls, so your voice comes through clearly. These earbuds also support voice assistants like Siri, giving you hands-free control for calls, music, and more. Battery life is one of the strongest points here. Each earbud offers around 6 hours of playback at 70% volume, and with the 300 mAh charging case, you get up to 48 hours of total battery life. The earbuds fully charge in about 1 hour, and the case charges in around 1.5 hours using the modern Type-C charging port. Fast, convenient, and reliable. So who should buy the Lenovo LP75? These are perfect for sports lovers, gym users, gamers, and anyone who wants secure fit wireless earphones with long battery life and dependable sound quality. To sum it up, the Lenovo LP75 True Wireless Headphones offer great value with Bluetooth 5.3, hi-fi stereo sound, ENC noise reduction, IPX5 waterproofing, and a comfortable ear hook design, all packed into a budget-friendly sports earphone. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review on Caring Guy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest tech reviews and gadget videos. See you in the next one!